Insert a high-resolution, vibrant image onto 3 separate slides. Insert a rectangle on each slide, ensuring it covers the desired area of the background image. Insert a single character on the first slide. Set the font style to bold and the size to 500 points. Repeat this process with different characters on the remaining slides. On each slide, select both the rectangle and the character. Navigate to Shape Format greater than Merge Shapes and select Combine. Ensure the shape outline is set to No Outline. Change the fill color of the merged shapes to black and adjust the transparency to 45% across all slides. Add your supporting text descriptions to each slide. Modify the font color of all added text to white to ensure high contrast and readability against the dark, semi-transparent overlays. Select all 3 completed slides in the thumbnail pane and duplicate them to extend your presentation. Arrange the elements to your preference and apply the morph transition to create a seamless, cinematic effect. I am pleased to share the final result of this design workflow. By utilizing Boolean shape operations, merge/combine, high-contrast typography, and semi-transparent overlays, I have created a modern, layered visual effect. The integration of the morph transition provides a seamless cinematic flow between slides, resulting in a high-end professional presentation aesthetic.